Hi guys, welcome to my channel again, the coding playground. So in this video we will learn about the numbers, and we will talk about the numbers. Okay, so basically in numbers we have two subtypes, that is the integer and double. And numbers is we can say the parent of the integer and double. Okay, so suppose if we need to handle some situation, there basically one variable can hold the integer and double value both type the value. So there we can create the variable of type nums, the number. And if we have a condition where only we have to work on the integer, then we have to create the type of the int type of the variable. And there we have to handle the double type of the values, then there we need to create the double type of the variable. Okay, so let's take in some example. So suppose there is a number which is I'm calling number where I am assigning the value like 2 1 2. Okay, that 12, and let's print the value. So if I am executing and number v, then I can see the value of the number v is printing as a 12. And now if I am making the value as double, so the value is double is printing. So first I am talking about the integer. So integer are the values. Integer are those value which do not contain decimal point. And doubles are those values which contains decimal. Okay, like 1.1, 2.2, etc. In same way for integer 1 2 3, that means we don't have any decimal point. In same way, like if we need to, let's take the example of the integer. So in case of the integer, suppose we need to take the condition of the age. Okay, so age can't be decimal type. So here we have to take the age variable as the int type. Okay, so in age variable we can basically we can store only the integer type value. So yeah, so here we cannot assign the double value to the age. Okay, so let's print the value of age. So you can say 23 is printing here. And suppose now I wanted to assign a double value. So this is saying a value of type double can't be assigned to a variable of type int. That means in int type of variable we cannot assign the value of the double. Okay, so in the same suppose I am dealing with some percentage. Okay, so now I need to definitely I have to assign the value of the float type. Okay, so this is holding float, and this is also can hold the integer value. As you know, the double is bigger than the integer, so it can hold the double, integer, even also float values. So this is about the numbers, friends. So I hope you like this video and you want to see the next video. So kindly subscribe my channel, and please press the bell icon so that you can get the notification about my next video. And you can also learn together the Flutter. And guys, if you want to watch my data structure videos, so now I'm starting to upload those too. So if anyone who wants to learn the data structure and how we can basically solve the problem of the data structure and how we can initiate, so you can watch, definitely can watch my video.